Okay, g'day, my name's Warren McSkimming, I work for Stockade. I'm just going to run you through the unboxing of the ST400i. So when you buy this tool from your channel, it's really important that when you first get the batteries is to give them a good 10-hour charge. Now the tool comes with a mains charger and it's really easy. This battery just slots into the front of the ST400i charger and you charge that for 10 hours. We say you get about 3,000 shots per battery off one lithium-ion battery, and it comes with two. The next really important thing about the ST400i is the end contact element, which is also your depth of gauge. Now the 400i comes with two end contact elements. So this one here and one will already be attached to the gun. Now it's your preference to try both to figure out which one you like best when you're using it on the posts. But to change the depth of the staple being fired into the post, it's a really easy process. With the Allen key provided, you just unscrew the screw at the front of the end contact element and you slide that contact element in and out depending on how far you want the staple to go in. So that's really important if you're using softwood or hardwood posts. And then the final thing with the ST400 is when you buy the 50mm staples, they come in a box of 1,000 and you get 2 gas cans with each box. Now each gas can does around 700 shots, so you'll have plenty of gas for the 1,000 staples provided in the box of staples. And then finally, to insert the gas into the ST400, you have the blue end. There's also a cap on the end of the gas, so make sure you squeeze and take that cap off, and then that gas just slides into the hole in the end and you just push that in with your thumb. And then that tool's ready to go once you've put some staples in. It's ready to use on the fence.